So that's Maserati Quattroporte. Yeah, so this is the Yamaha 150cc scooter that is sold here in Manila, and I see a lot of people buying this with movie star paint scheme, and it looks really cool. And as I was saying in the morning, they ride without DB killers. So here is a proof. There are no DB killers, and they sound super loud. I wish the owner was here. I would have asked him to rev it once. If possible, I'll try it later and ask him to rev it. Yeah, so the owner was here, and he's willing to get the video captured. And yep. Can you rev it once? Rev it, rev it. Nice, thank you. Yep. Yep. Bye bye. So most of you keep asking me what kind of bikes are used in Metro Manila, and this is one of them. This is quite common here. I've seen a lot of people having it. It's a Honda Supermoto 200cc, and I did ask him if I could, take a video of him. Can you switch on the bike and rev it once? Can you rev it once? So the same helmets that we use in India, which is KYT, LH2, all these things are being sold here as well. And as you can see, people really follow rules. Yeah, there is this Italian dining restaurant here right next to my place. And the unusual thing about this place is they have snails on the wall, the live snails, See here, they creep up on all these gaps that is there here, and they are left to live over here. I keep seeing this car or whatever everywhere. I don't know what this car actually does. There are some police cars as well similar to that. Actually, you see that hotel there. Yeah, that is where I'm actually staying. And now I am in one of the main streets of Metro Manila. As you can see here, this is the main road. The traffic is followed to a very strict level over here, and most of the bikes go without DB killers. So between these big buildings, it sounds really loud. How do you like the infrastructure? Trees everywhere, roads really neat, very wide footpaths for pedestrians, and really tall buildings. So in the evenings actually it is really beautiful over here. So here I am with my friend and a colleague Vinod. Yep. So I've come to this place called City of Dreams in Manila, and this is from DreamWorks called Dream Play. Yeah, so now we are at Mall of Asia I. It's one of the Ferris wheels in Philippines, and this is the third or fourth largest Ferris wheel, I guess, here. So me and my friend Vinod, we had gone to the casino which is here. Unfortunately, we were not allowed to shoot any photos or videos over there. Me and my friend will be going into the ride. Ferris wheel experience was okayish. I expected a lot more. This was built back in 2012 or something. So the plastic part of it or the glass part of it were completely scratched out, and so I couldn't vlog over there properly. So anyways, it is a different experience from what I had in India. So this was a little different. It was really nice to see all the cruise ship in the far off place in the sea. And yeah, this is where I'll end the vlog. I hope you like this. Have a great day. Good night. Bye bye.